My two favorite apps to use outside of the default Microsoft apps like Edge, Word, Excel, Teams, is Flux and Lightshot. Flux is a program that basically removes the blue light from your screen. You can download it from this link right here, justgetflux.com, and you can open it up here, and you can change basically how much you want to tint the screen orange. So this is um, regular screen, and this is fully tinted orange. So you can have it set up for recommended colors or reduce eye strain or whatever, and it will automatically adjust as the day goes on. And you can specify your location if you want. But personally, I just do custom and have it all the way over here. So it removes all the blue light and it's just very orange. And this is because it just reduces strain on your eyes, as I use a computer 8+ hours a day and I can't use a computer that doesn't have flux on it. It gives me a headache and yeah, it's just hard on your eyes. So this is an awesome program. Definitely recommend it. Second one is Lightshot. Here's the URL. I'll put these in the description. What this is, it's a screenshotting tool. So it's also in the taskbar. You can options, and you can configure which keys you want as the hotkey. I use Control Shift Q. You can whatever hotkeys you want to use. PNG or JPEG, and general settings. And then, so I press Control Shift Q, and you can highlight part of the screen. And I like this for showing people um, what I want to show on the screen. I don't want the entire screen, just a part of it. And then there's tools along here. You can write stuff, put a line, arrows. But the most common one I use is the rectangle to go around buttons I'm trying to indicate. And then you can also highlight or add text, which could be useful, but I don't use. And then you can also change the color. And then you can save, copy, or print this screenshot, and then yeah, send it to someone or do whatever you want with it.